Hello, and welcome to Florida Virtual School's Theater, Cinema, and Film Production course. This video is your ticket to getting started successfully in theater. Congratulations! You have a temporary seat in FLVS Theater, Cinema, and Film Production. How do you make it a permanent seat? Make sure that you and a parent conduct a welcome call with your teacher within 10 days of receiving your welcome email. Here's some important information about the course that you'll need to know to be successful. You will complete an oral exam or DBA, discussion-based assessment, with your teacher at the end of each segment. At the end of each segment, you will also complete a final exam. This exam is given in two parts. First, a multiple choice exam, then a short response or written exam. In order to pass this class, you must complete all oral exams and earn a passing grade on the final exam. You can work at your own pace. This means you can take as much time as you need to learn a lesson. However, you still need to make weekly progress in your course. Your teacher will help you pick the pace that is best for you. This class is mastery-based. This means that you can redo any of your assignments except segment exams up to 3 times to earn a passing score. Always use your best netiquette and academic integrity while working in this course. What are netiquette and academic integrity? Netiquette is a set of guidelines to help us use our best manners when communicating and writing. Basically, it's etiquette for the net. Academic integrity means that all your work on each assignment will be completely your own. At this time, please pause the video to read the bullet points and then resume watching the video to learn more about theater, cinema, and film production. Let's take a look at how to navigate our theater, cinema, and film production course. When you click the menu button at the top, you will see this drop-down appear. Take a look first at the Lessons tab highlighted in yellow. This is where you locate your lesson material for the course. Then, take a look at the yellow Assessments tab. That is where you submit your assignments. Below that, you'll find the gradebook also highlighted in yellow. This is where you view your grades and resubmit any assignments you'd like to improve. Your Email tab is where you can email your teachers and peers within your class. Be sure to check your email every time you log in. On the right, you will see Announcements highlighted in yellow. View your class announcements page for your teacher's contact information, live lesson calendar, and other important information regarding theater, cinema, and film production. Your teacher's announcements page contains a lot of important information, so check here every time you log in. Let's take a look at the announcements page. Let's take a look at your teacher's announcements page. At the very top, you'll find your teacher's photograph, your teacher's name, phone number, and email address, as well as contact information for our principal. To the right, you'll see information about our Facebook page. Like us on Facebook. If you want to share your own theater and film successes with your classmates on our Facebook page, click this link to download the media release form your parents will need to sign and return to your teacher. Scroll down below your teacher's contact information and you will find our live lesson calendar. Not only will this show you the schedule of lessons that we offer, but it is also the link you need to click to enter our virtual classroom. By attending live lessons, you can complete many of your lab projects for the course in a fun and collaborative group. So be sure to check the calendar often to see when the next lesson you want to attend is offered. Scroll a bit further down the announcements page, you'll notice a handful of course resources. These include study guides for DBAs and exams, pace charts, and other relevant information like notes about your film. Look here to download any new and important information that we may have here to help you be successful in theater, cinema, and film production. If you click on your Lessons tab, you'll be directed to this page. You'll notice a green Getting Started button. Click that to read the Getting Started information before you begin reading in your course. Once you've completed the Getting Started information, Segment 1 students will move to Module 1, Introduction to Film Theory, to read their lessons, while Segment 2 students will move to Module 7, Plotting the Script, to begin reading those lessons. At the end of your lessons, you will be given the assignments you need to complete for that module. Complete the questions and answers given to you in the lesson and then click on your Assessments tab. Once you're in your Assessments tab, you'll notice a list of all the assignments you have yet to complete. Simply click on the assignment you wish to submit, upload your attachment, and click Submit for grading so your teacher can read your excellent work. Your Gradebook tab is where your graded assignments will live. Clicking on the assignments in your Gradebook tab will show you your teacher's feedback as well as your score. If you would like to resubmit any of your assignments, simply upload a new attachment from here and click Submit for grading. Throughout the course, you will view 3 films. You're welcome to view the films inside the class or check out copies of the films from your local library. However you choose to view the movies, make sure that you're actively watching and taking notes because you're going to need to review this information as you complete your assignments. Here are some tips to earn top scores in theater, cinema, and film production. There are 3 types of assignments that you will complete in this class: review and critical thinking questions, lab assignments, and module tests. When completing review and critical thinking questions and lab assignments, make sure that you're using your best writing skills. We want to see your answers in at least 2 to 3 complete sentences per question, and we want to see that you've proofread your work for proper spelling, grammar, and a punctuation. Module tests are multiple choice quizzes to gauge your knowledge at the end of each module. These are open note quizzes, so be sure to take excellent notes as you read each lesson. While discussing terms and concepts you learned about in your lessons, it may be tempting to copy the definitions and explanations directly from the lesson. You want to avoid this. Instead, paraphrase your thoughts to show your teacher that you understand the concepts you learned about. Many of your assignments will ask you for your own opinions about elements of theater and film. We want to see your creativity shine here. The sky is the limit. There's no such thing as too much detail in this class, but there is such a thing as not enough information, so err on the side of caution and elaborate upon your thoughts in your answers. Thank you for viewing the Theater, Cinema, and Film Production Welcome video. Please call your teacher or schedule a welcome call with your teacher so you can become active in the course and begin your learning adventure. Break a leg.